How do I use the Camp Chef mobile app with my Apex grill when cooking in gas mode? When using your Apex grill as a pellet grill, you'll be able to remotely monitor temperatures and receive notifications from anywhere with internet access. When using your Apex grill in gas mode, you're not able to adjust these temperatures, but you do have access to see and receive notifications of the temperatures inside that Apex grill. Before we get started, your Apex grill will need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network and added to your account. For more information on how to do this, follow the link on the screen. With the grill connected, we need to start recording the temperature data captured in this cook session. Press Start Graph on the bottom of your grill dashboard to begin. We can use goal temp on the bottom left-hand corner to configure the temperature for chamber temperature notifications. We will be notified when the grill reaches this temperature and deviates too far away from this temperature. You can also configure each cook probe to have their own target temperature. You will be sent a notification when your cook probe approaches and reaches this temperature. The graph button in the bottom right corner is used to view the live graph and history of your gas cook session. When you're finished, press End Graph to stop recording. I hope this helps add to your Apex cooking experience. For any other questions, reach out to us at campchef.com.